Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Microsoft Edge Chromium Edition beta. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it pretty quickly, and this will apply for Windows 10 computers. So this will be a separate application from Microsoft Edge on your computer. So if you have Edge, it's not going to override Edge. So I just want to put that out there. So I'm going to have a link to this web page in the description of the video. It should be from microsoftinsider.com. So you don't actually need to be part of the Insider program in order to download Microsoft Edge beta here. So there's going to be a couple of options here. So the beta channel, which updates every 6 weeks, is not available yet. However, the developer channel as well as the Canary channel are both updated here. So the first one, developer channel, is updated weekly versus the Canary channel, which is updated daily. So if you're looking for increased stability, you're more than likely going to be better off taking the developer channel. Whereas if you really want to just play around with it and see every new build, you might want to select the Canary channel if you want to get everything as quick as possible. So I'm actually going to select the Canary channel just for the purpose of this tutorial, but if I was looking to kind of get a little bit more into Microsoft Edge, I would probably select the developer channel instead. So if you want to help improve Microsoft's products by sending info, you can keep this check marked here. Otherwise, just uncheck it and select accept and download. Select close. And once it's done downloading, you're just going to run it like a normal program. Select run. I have to admit it's a little strange installing a Microsoft web browser on your computer that doesn't already come built in. They've been building the internet browser right into Windows operating systems for a very long time now. So it's definitely an interesting feature here. So we're going to just go ahead and let it continue to download. It shouldn't take too long. And once that's done downloading, it should automatically open up here. And once that's done, go ahead and select confirm. And you can go ahead and play around with some of the different themes here you got. So definitely quite a bit you can customize here. So I'm just going to select done. Going to take on more of a Chrome appearance. Obviously it's a Chromium based web browser here. So you also have a desktop icon that you can see over here, as well as a taskbar icon. So if you wanted to right click and then pin into the taskbar, you're more than welcome to. So it actually looks like it automatically comes pinned. So if I were to close out of it here, it should stay down in the taskbar. So pretty cool feature here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.